So, you really think you love yourself? Prove it. You have been taught through your whole life, in school, by parents, that you should love yourself no matter what, and I'm here to tell you why that's wrong and why you should have to prove that you love yourself. No, I'm not saying that you just go out and hate yourself for who you are and you don't love your accomplishments and stuff like that. No, that's nothing whatsoever. What I'm here to say is that throughout my life, I've had to grow and develop, and I don't like who I was 2 years ago. I don't like who I was 6 months ago because I'm constantly improving. So as long as you're improving in your life, you should be looking forward to loving your potential, who you can be, instead of loving who you are, because who you are is such an imperfect person. Now, the reason why this is just very dangerous in day-to-day life is we have all these far left extremists with fat pride and fat acceptance and body positivity, which is totally unhealthy. It is dangerous to children. What you should do to prove that you love yourself is go out, be active, take a walk, eat healthier, don't pig out on junk food. Those are the ways you can prove to yourself that you actually love yourself, instead of, oh, I love myself no matter what, even if I make bad decisions for my body, for my health. See, that is just, it's stupid to even think of that, to love yourself for killing yourself. That's not how it should be. You know, this body positivity as well leads to a lot of entitlement for people just wanting you to pity them, and it's just unhealthy in general. And with that mindset, the pity mindset, you're not going to get anywhere in life. You're not going to be successful, because all you're going to be worried about is people worrying about you, feeling sad for you, that, oh, you're this way, your body's this way, oh, well, what have you done to fix it? Oh, nothing, I've just sat around and ate crap. So you just feel entitled, and that isn't gonna get you anywhere. Self-love in general also just promotes unhealthy activities, behaviors, mindsets, and we can't have that. As these kids growing up now, they think it's okay to be obese, that, oh, there aren't health risks because people say there aren't, even though it has been proven so many times. So it's very bad for promoting unhealthy activities because they think that it's just okay to be unhealthy. Now, there are many ways that you can prove to yourself that you actually love yourself, that real self-love, real positivity, real acceptance of who you are, and promoting healthy decisions. An easy one right off the bat is just go and be more active. Being more active has just too many benefits to even count. There's nothing that is stopping you from going and taking a walk. There's nothing stopping you from having an extra half plate of vegetables instead of having the bag of Sour Patch Kids that night. Just everything you can do with your body to be more healthy, to make healthier decisions, that proves to yourself that you love yourself, because you're putting yourself in a better situation to feel better, to be able to be more successful, to accomplish more. What goes along with that as well is that you also need to just have a change in mindset, where instead of pitting yourself, feeling entitled, feeling that people should feel sorry for you, you go out and change that. You have a change in mindset where you're gonna think that it doesn't matter where I'm at, because I'm gonna go and I'm gonna beat this and nobody can stop me. And that's the mindset that will change your life forever. So changes in mindsets, changes in activities, changes in actions, following through, making healthy decisions. In the long run, even in the short term, it is just a recipe for success. And always remember that you shouldn't love who you are right now. You should love who you can be and what your potential is as a person. Keep striving.